Dear 10th class students, today we discussed about solutions of slip test. What I forward the question paper in your group WhatsApp group messages. I hope all are practicing the questions. But once check what I explained here each and every question. Yes, observe the slip test question paper. Solve the following sums. So I prepared 5 questions I given. Each question is 1 mark. So observe first question solution. The question is, write the formula for calculating arithmetic mean in step deviation method and explain each letter in it. So clearly given to finding the mean of step deviation method. So the formula for step deviation method, mean x bar equal to a plus of summation fi uy by summation fi into x. Here observe each letter. A represents assumed mean. A represents assumed mean. Next, fi means frequencies of I items. Frequencies of I items. Next, uy equal to xi minus a by h or di by h. We know that di means deviations. Deviations formula is xi minus a. So you can express either this or that one, anyone. So here xi means class marks or mid value of a class interval. Class marks of I items. A means assumed mean. Here h represent height of the class or size of the class. And also observe the symbol sigma. Sigma represents summation. This is the first question solution. Next, second one. Find the median and mode. Find the median and mode of the following observation. So, mean and median. To finding a median and mode, compulsory given data can be expressed in either ascending or descending order. So, first of all, given ascending order of the data. Given ascending order. Ascending order of the data. So here in this data, so least value is 5. So 5, 6, 8, 9 and also 9, 12, 14. So counting the observations in this question paper, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 observations are there. So 3, 5, 7 observations. So number of observations n equal to 7. So it is a odd number. Therefore median. So median equal to, if number of observations is odd number, median equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation. N plus 1 by 2th observation. Or simply we can express easily. First 3 observations cancelled and last 3 observations also cancelled. So here, which is the middle value is represented median. Then median equal to 9. Okay, median is completed. And go for mode. In this observation, which number is repeated more times? So here, 9 is repeated 2 times. So that's why mode equal to 9. Mode equal to 9. Right. That is the second problem solution. And go for third solution, students. Write the formula of mode for group data and explain the terms in it. So mode for group data. Mode is denoted by the letter Z. So mode Z equal to L plus of F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So here the terms are the L equal to lower boundary of the model class. Lower boundary of the model class. Don't forget all of you. Lower boundary of the model class. Next we have taken F1. F1 means frequency of the model class. Next F0. Frequency of the class preceding the model class. Next F2 equal to frequency of the class succeeding the model class. Succeeding the model class. F0 preceding the model class. And finally H equal to height of the class or size of the class. This is the third solution. Next, fourth one. Observe fourth solution. If the mean of a frequency distribution is 8.1 and summation Fi xi equal to 132 plus 5k, summation Fi equal to 20, then find the value of k. Here we find mean value. We find mean value is given, find the k value. So mean. So what they given, observe, mean equal to 8.1 and summation Fi xi value also given. Summation Fi xi equal to 132 plus 5k. Next, summation Fi equal to 20. Summation Fi equal to 20. So here, then find the value of k. Yes, by using the formula. We know that Fi x and Fi, these two terms are where they included. It is to finding a mean of direct method. Yes, by using direct method, mean x bar equal to summation Fi xi by summation Fi. So here mean value 8.1 equal to summation Fi xi value 132 plus 5k by summation Fi 20. Yes, observe students, do cross multiplication. 20 into 8.1, nothing but 162 equal to 132 plus 5k. So constant value take a left side. So plus 132 transfer left side becomes minus 162 minus 132 equal to 13. So strike it up with 5 ones, 5 sixes. So k equal to 6. This is the way of approachment to finding a k value. Right, students? Observe next, fifth question. Write the empirical relation between mean, mode and median. And if median is 15 and mean equal to 16, then mode equal to dash. Yes, empirical relation among mean, median and mode. Yes, we know very well. Mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. 3 median minus 2 mean. So, what they given? This is the empirical relation among mode, mean, median and mean. So, here, according to the problem, median value is given, mean value also given. We find mode, then mode equal to 3 into median value is 15 and mean value is 16, then 2 into 16. It becomes 15 3 45 minus 2 16 32. Finally, it becomes 13 is the solution of given fifth problem. Right. Just go for second Roman students. Next, second Roman, observe students. Solve the following problems. I gave 2 questions and each question contains 5 marks. 2 into 5, 10 marks. So, sixth question. Observe the problem what they given. First of all, the mean of the data in the following table is 50. Find the value of x and y and summation Fi equal to 200. So, 2 columns are given. Class intervals along with frequencies. So, class intervals are 10 to 30, 30 to 50, 50 to 70, 70 to 90, 90 to 110. And frequencies are 90, x, 30, y and 40. We find the x and y values. Okay. What while approaching the solution, so given what they given, mean value is given. So mean equal to 50. Mean equal to 50. And also summation Fi value also given. So that is summation Fi equal to 200. Right. Here two columns are given. We find to finding a mean of direct method. So followed by formula. What is the formula? Mean x bar equal to summation Fi xi by summation Fi. Here xi means class interval, class marks. So where we taken class mark means is by taking the class intervals, we find the mid value of each and every class interval. So first framing a table. In framing a table, first we have taken class intervals and second column class mark. Class mark represented xi. Next, and also given frequencies Fi. Next, fourth column, that is Fi and xi. Fi and xi. Observe the class intervals 10 to 30, 30 to 50, 50 to 70, 70 to 90, and 90 to 110. These are the class intervals. Yes, frequency 10 to 30 is 90. Next, 30 to 50 is x. Next, 50 to 70 is 30. Next, 70 to 90 is y. And 90 to 110 is 40. Right, finding the class marks. So how to find a class mark? So sum of lower and upper limit, average of lower and upper limit simply. So that is 10 plus 30, it becomes 40. 40 by 2 nothing but 20. So 20 is the mid value of 10 to 30. So again 30 to 50 is 40. Next 60, and here 80. Next 100. This is xi values. This is that is Fi values. So next find the product of Fi and xi. 20 into 90, 1800. Next one, 40 into x, 40x. 60 into 30, 1800. 80 into y, 80y. Next one, 100 into 40, 4000. 4000. Right. So like this, draw vertical lines. So it is a good appearance of a table like this. Next one, summation Fi. So summation Fi equal to 90 plus 30, 120, 120 plus 40, 60, 60 plus x plus y. This is summation Fi value. So 160 plus x plus y. Next we find summation Fi xi equal to 1800 plus 1800, 3600. 3600 plus 4000, 7600. Plus next 40x plus 80y. 40x plus 80y. Yes, from the table, yes, we find summation Fi and also summation Fi xi. Yes, this is the table. Right, students. Next, how to find the x and y? Observe. So here, summation Fi value is given according to the problem. From the table also we find summation Fi value. Yes, by equating both values, we can get x plus y one equation. And also, by using mean formula, we framing again second equation. By solving both first and second equations, we can get the result easily. So, after listening my voice, students, yes, memorize how to solve the equations in quadratic equations. You know very well in 9th class already you studied. So, memorize in your mind. Right, students? According to the problem, yes, let me take an ATP. According to the problem, summation Fi equal to 200. Summation Fi equal to 200. Yes, we know from the table 200 summation Fi value, that is 160 plus x plus y equal to 200. Yes, plus 160 transferred right side becomes minus. Then x plus y equal to 200 minus 160 becomes 40, which is equation number 1. Yes, comes to mean formula. Yes, we know that WKT represents, we know that mean x bar equal to summation Fi xi. Summation Fi xi by summation Fi. Yes, summation Fi. Summation xi value we know that is, so here mean, according to the problem, mean value also given, that is 50. So then 50 equal to, like this taken better. 50 equal to 7600 plus 40x plus 80y. 80y by summation Fi value also given, that is 200. Yes, go for cross multiplication. 250 is here. How much value, the product value, students? Yes, 200 into 50, nothing but 10,000. 10,000 equal to 7,600 plus 40x plus 80y. Okay, constant value take left side. Then 10,000 minus 7,600 equal to nothing but 2,400. Right. Here 40x plus 80y, in both terms 4 as a common factor. 4 as a common factor. Then 4 of, or better to take 40 directly. 40 of x plus 2y equal to 2,400. Okay, start it off with 40. So 4 6 are 4 40 60 are 2,400. Then x plus 2y equal to 60, which is equation number 2. From first equation x plus y equal to 40, second equation x plus 2y equal to 60. Both are quadratic equation. By using elimination method or substitution method, anyone who can get x and y values easily. So by solving 1 comma 2, by solving 1 comma 2, yes, first equation x plus y equal to 40, and second equation x plus 2y equal to 60. Yes, here first equation minus second equation, right? While both coefficients are equal, right, students? So here minus, here also minus. Plus x minus x get cancelled. Y minus 2y, nothing but minus y equal to minus 20. Minus also cancel. Y equal to 20. Okay, we can get y value. From equation 1, substitute y value, we can get x value also. So, from equation 1, yes, here we have taken students. From equation 1. So, from 1, then x equal to 40 minus y, then 40 minus 20, it becomes 20. So finally we can get x and y value, students. X equal to 20 and y also 20. This is the way of process to given the x and y values to finding this is the to finding easily x and y values. Whatever may be given, x and y replace f1 and f2 also go the approachment of, this is the way of process. Next, 7th problem. Right. If the median of 60 observations is 28.5, find the values of x and y. Find the values of x and y. So class intervals are 0 to 10, 10 to 20 and so on, 50 to 60. Frequencies are 55, X and so on 5. So here also learn. So observe before problem this problem, question is a same model, but how to find the mean and also median. This is the way of differentiation. Yes, here solution given. What they given? First observe students, all of you. Solution given. First median value is given. Median of 60 observations. So observations n. Number of observations. Number of observations small n equal to 60. Next one, median value also given. Median equal to 28.5. Median equal to 28.5. Right. So take the class intervals and also frequency and finally cumulative frequency. So to finding a mean, cumulative frequency is the main role in this to finding a median students. So here first of all we have taken 3 columns: class intervals, second one frequency, next cumulative frequency. In cumulative frequency taken either LCF or GCF, whatever it may be. So class intervals are 0 to 10, next 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Right, frequency values are 5, X, 20, 50, next Y and also 5. Cumulative frequency. So I take LCM. So as I take LCM. To finding a LCM, yes, first value as the same taken, then sum of the from up to bottom. 5 value as the same. Next 5 plus X. 5 plus X plus 20. 25 plus X. 25 plus 15. 40 plus X. Next one. 40 plus X plus Y. 40 plus X plus Y. And next one. 40 plus 5, 45 plus X plus Y. So observe students here. Number of observations. Frequency is represented number of observation. So number of observations is given 60. Then n equal to 60. Next, take half of the observation, n by 2 equal to 30. And also median. Yes. How to take the frequency along with cumulative frequency? Observe here. Median equal to 28.5. So median 28.5 is included in 20 and 30 class interval. So better to take like this line. So here. Okay, here 20 is represented frequency and 5 plus X is represented cumulative frequency. Next 20 and 30 is the median class. So find the lower boundary of a median class. L equal to 20 and height of the class H equal to 10. Okay students, let us go for finding the X and Y values. Same procedure. According to the problem, exact at middle taken, according to the problem, last value is represented total frequency, means total observations. So 45 plus X plus Y equal to 60 is given according to the problem. So equating both values, that is 45 plus X plus Y equal to 60. Yes, plus 45 transfer right side becomes minus X plus Y equal to 15, which is equation number 1. And also median. So what they given, observe here, median value is 28.5. Okay, use the formula median m equal to L plus of n by 2 minus cumulative frequency by frequency of the model class into H. median value is given, that is 28.5. So 28.5 equal to n value 20, 20 plus of n by 2, that is 30 minus cumulative frequency is 5 plus 6. 30 minus of 5 plus 6 by frequency, that is 20 into 10. Plus 20 here, transfer left side becomes minus 8.5 equal to, next one, 10 ones, 10 twos, that is 30 minus 5 minus 6 by 2. Here, do cross multiplication, 2 into 8.5, nothing but 17 equal to 30 minus 5, it becomes 25 minus 6. So, x and 17 value interchanging, then x equal to 25 minus 17, it becomes 8. So, here x value equal to 8. This x value substitute in equation 1, automatically we can get y value easily. Then, from equation 1, 8 plus y equal to 15, then y equal to 15 minus 8, nothing but 7. So, we find easily students, x equal to 8 and y equal to 7. Is it any difficult to finding x and y values? No, it is easily. So, how to find the mean and also median values are given? If two frequencies are left, so this is the way of process of 6th and 7th problem solutions. Okay, students, all of you understood what I explained the solutions of slip test questions. If you have any doubts, again, yes, you know my number and call it and I explain clearly once again. And tomorrow I explain similar triangle chapter theorems along with related problems.